Someone is selling AI tokens on Xianyu, earning tens of thousands. Then you open TikTok and you find people teaching you everywhere how to do this business. Some people show their incomes, saying you can make money by following them. This seems to be the AI era, the easiest way to make money. But I want to tell you, the screenshots and tutorials you see are part of this business itself. First, what is this business? The AI made by Cloud Anthropic can't be used in many places, but it works well. Some people found I can resell access rights. You give me money and I'll give you token and you can use it. It sounds very reasonable, but let me ask you a question. If there is a model that is equally good and the price is half of Cloud's, would your business still exist? No, it's not. If Amazon closes your account tomorrow, will your business still exist? Of course not. What does this mean? What you sell is not the ability of Cloud. What you sell is that someone can't use Cloud itself, that your business is built on a gap. And this gap is not created by you. It's caused by the rules. If the rules change, the gap disappears. Your business will disappear. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with making quick money, but at least you should know what kind of money you earn is the value you create, or a window that could be closed at any time. And this window is being targeted. Anthropic, in official documents, has listed commercial agents, massive resale of cloud access permission as a target to crack down. They are identifying and combat the use of a large number of fraud accounts to maintain the operation of resale services. They know about this and they are watching you. The core assets are accounts and interfaces, which may be banned by them at any time. You think you are running a business, but in fact, you are running an account that may expire at any time. But this is not the most important part. Do you know how these people respond? When my token itself can't earn enough money, they found something more profitable, which is my token, but the opportunity to sell tokens. They started to recruit agents. You pay several thousand yuan. They give you an account and tutorials and a script, and then you find the next batch of people you think you are in the AI business. But in fact, you are the latest link in this chain. The thousands of yuan you paid is their real source of profit. Token is a cover, and the agency fee is the business. I call this evolution of business a business downgrade. At first, you sold products and there are real customers using it. Later, the product was not easy to sell. You start selling the opportunity to do this business. Your customers changed from users, become people who want to make money. Later, your agents can't sell it either. They start to take on sub-agents. Every level down, you are further away from the real demand and closer to the harvest. When a business starts to rely on recruiting, instead of relying on selling goods to survive, it is no longer a business. Those videos that teach you to make money. Have you ever thought, where does the money he makes come from? Is it from the customers or from you, from you? If he really earns tens of thousands of yuan a month by selling tokens, then why would he spend time teaching you? Wouldn't he have more competition if he taught you? Unless teaching you is more profitable than my talk. A truly sustainable business. The moat is actually built by yourself. It's your technology, your brand, and your user trust. It's your irreplaceability. It's not built on the loopholes of other systems. No, or on the tuition fees of the next batch of people who want to make money. If you really want to find a business in the AI wave, to find a business, then you find that problem, who have real needs. But no one has seriously solved it in the market. That's where the moat of Nanjing lies. Tell me in the comments, have you been pulled recently to be an AI-related agent? How did he tell you about it? Did you believe it? I'm Ziyuan. Spend money wisely, and people should live in the wind. Douyin Dine